your ISO 18 is not showing up like that. You can see the ISO 17, and now my ISO 18 show. How to show and set up ISO 18 on your iPhone? Go to your Safari browser and type Apple Developer, this website, and you have to log in into your with your Apple ID. I already logged in. Then top right corner, then you can see the account. Once you press on, then you have to log into your Apple ID. Then you can see uh, this kind of interface. You have to press on yes, and you have to submit it. I already submitted. That's why I am seeing the image actually. And then you can see this kind of interface, and once you see this kind of interface, you just shut down your iPhone and restart your iPhone. And once you restart done, then go to your setting, go back, go back, go to your general and a software update. Then you can see this bar beta update. Then you can install ISO 18 or ISO 17 development beta, and it's a free and official website, so don't worry, just install it. And once done, your phone will be updated with ISO latest 18 version. So hope video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Now enjoy your ISO 18, and I will give you a lot of video with ISO 18 all latest feature. Hope you watching. Thank you.